What's up, my beautiful people? It's morning here in India. It's morning here. Hello, morning. Yeah, it's 9 a.m. here, and it's morning. So as you all know, it's always a healthy routine in the morning to take tea. So I'm gonna try Indian tea today. It's 9 a.m. Hello, morning.
Good morning.
So I'm gonna try Indian tea in the morning like this. So you guys, you all need to come all the way. Namaste. Yeah. So hello. Yeah. So there's a tea stall there. So I'm gonna look at me. I'm looking super steady, man. So this is 200 rupees. 200 rupees. 200 rupees. Then this is 200 rupees also. Wow. Selling something like coconut here. So well, how are you?
Brother.
You okay?
Okay.
This is Indian tea.
Indian tea, yeah.
Wow. It's good. It's good. So this is also.
Yes.
But it look very small.
Yes, that guy, but this is not as small. This is bigger, na?
It's bigger.
Like
For you, it's bigger.
Yes, you know, because I am bigger man, na?
But for me, it's not big.
So you are also bigger
For
for me.
me,
You
I
want
need
you
bigger
take
than
bigger.
this. You could sell bigger than this?
Yes,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
have.
I need to take tea. I need to take tea. Hello, Baba. Morning.
Morning.
You okay? Baba, how are you? You okay? Nice to meet you.
Chai tea.
I need tea. Is this one?
Bigger. No, this one like same.
Wow. Guys, you can see here. So here, they take tea with these cups. Actually, very small like this. But it's different. It's different case. So, Baba, this is 10 rupees.
10 rupees.
This one. This is how much?
Not too much.
This one.
6
6 rupees.
6 rupees.
Okay. So
Today,
get for me like this.
इसको दे जाए.
Yeah, get for me like this. So guys, this is Indian tea. I'm going to try it right now today. I can sit here, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Give me. So guys, I'm looking good, right? So I'm looking pretty good from here. At the tea stall, you can see it's taking. This is what? Taking something. They are making milk there. Everyone is taking tea. So how is the tea?
It's good.
It's good.
Yes. Oh my God.
So
It's all
yeah, like
North
this.
India.
Like this, eh? This is Indian tea. Okay. You capture for me. So it's okay.
How is the quality of tea?
Quality of tea is good. It's actually good, you know.
Like comparison of your country.
But it's
so
just small.
yes,
like this, I
have
can-
a bigger cup.
I can take more than 10.
Yes, that is only 10 rupees, not like too much. You know, like have 24 rupees bigger than.
24 rupees is bigger.
bigger, yes.
But this is actually
Only
this is
10
what you
rupees
guys
for Indian
take.
rupees.
You all take this.
So, which one?
You all take like this. So it's okay, guys. You can. Let me show you.
I must see there.
So let's take the tea. That is it. It's good.
Yes,
It's good.
it's good.
Yeah, the tea is good. So guys, actually here, this is how they take tea here. This Indian tea. It's just like this. Yeah. So when I take my tea, you guys have what is that?
He's taking
Like okay, like this. First break. So this one. In Africa, we take tea with escort.
Yes.
Escort like this.
Same like India is taking also.
Yeah. So this is how much rupees?
It's 5 rupees. 5
Okay, 5 rupees.
Yes,
Okay.
it's 5 rupees.
So for only 15 rupees, you can take tea with escort.
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Okay, brother, I am going to hotel.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I see you.
Thank you. Okay. This is so sweet. Wow. So amazing. So this is where they make the tea.
My shop, this is worker.
This is what?
Worker.
Okay. It's good. Good. You work here? You work here? Okay. So this one also they eat taking tea. So it's actually a place, a store to take tea. And it's making milk that side. So guys, Indian tea, man. Black man taking Indian tea. Trying Indian tea. Your name? Your name?
Anwar.
Anwar. Okay.
Anwar का मायना समझते हो?
Is from this state?
मायना बहुत खूबसूरत.
Okay. You're from this state? Maharashtra. Maharashtra state? Yeah.
Jharkhand.
Okay. Come to. So, stay in the morning. Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. So guys, they are coming to take their tea. It's just like this. Sure, that's good. So good. So good. So this is milk.
Yeah.
Wow. How much?
This is curd.
It's hot?
Curd. Stay. Curd.
Is it hot?
Yeah.
So this is how much? I need. You make for me, okay? So this is pure milk. It's actually very nice. I need to test.
Itu.
Yes. I need milk. So the tea is not even enough for me. It's cow milk, right? For cow.
Buffalo.
For what?
Buffalo.
Fellow.
Yeah,
It's-
buffalo.
It's not cow milk.
It's not cow. Buffalo.
Okay. So guys, this is not cow milk. It's for so you see.
This is curd.
Yeah, this is milk.
Hot.
This is this is the one.
Yeah.
Can you make for me like this?
Yeah.
Like this, bring for me.
Toast.
So it's so nice here. So this is for they also take this in the morning.
Yeah.
Yes, milk. Milk for me. Yeah.
आपसे तो दे रहा हूँ.
You say?
इसका दो.
Yeah.
कितना दे रहा हूँ?
At least the
Sakar.
milk is big.
Sakar.
Yeah, super.
डाल दो.
Super. Put another one. Another one. Yeah. This is 3 spoons. What is that? Okay. So, wow. This is full enjoyment, guys. Full enjoyment. Thank you. This is like milk.
कहाँ सुन रहा है?
Wow.
Dal. Itu. Bang, lagi antar.
No, like this is good. So I'm gonna do it like this. Let me hope. So okay guys, we are going. Very good. Delicious. So nice. Wow. So it's enjoying. So we are enjoying. It's good. So at least this one, guys, this one looks much bigger. You know, as a black man, it looks much bigger than the tea. So it's good. It's good. So good. So you know, I'm going to get satisfied in the morning, and everything is going to work perfect in the morning. So at least good. So can we take this? Take like this. Like this, take. Yeah. Good. So I'm just taking my tea. This milk. Indian tea. Good. Good.
Indian tea.
Indian tea.
Medium milk.
Not this for that one. You actually want to give me more. This one is enough for me. Hello. Nice to meet you. So good.
चलो एक छोटा
So you have finished yours very fast. So good. I'm going to come here always. So until I leave India, I always come here till I leave Mumbai. Wow, so good. Hello, nice to meet you. Okay, yeah. So guys, let me leave room for some people. So it's good, you can see. Good. So I'm over now, I'm okay. Hello. Good enjoyment. So it's okay now. I'm gonna pay, I'm gonna make payment. This is the streets. So guys, this is in Mumbai. This is in Mumbai. You can see best coconut there. Actually very good. I need to pay your money. So, how much?
30 rupees.
30 rupees.
Yeah.
30 rupees here.
पैसा ले आप दो खाड़ी
This is 20 rupees.
पकड़ो भाई तुम्हारा ले लो सादा निकाल लो भाई प्लीज सर्विस ले भाई
10 rupees.
थैंक यू
So, for only 30 rupees, take Indian tea. Hello? Ah! You okay?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So, guys, you can see the streets. So, I read it. Took my tea, Indian tea. And I'm so happy. Hello? Hi. So, and I'm so happy. So, pretty happy. So the tea is nice actually. First experience, the tea is nice. Though it's small but nice, so I have to add milk also on top. Hello? This one? Is what? It's okay. It's good. Hello. So this is the street. Wow. Hello? Morning. Morning, you're fine? Good. You're going to school? Ah, you know, kids are going to school here. It's nice. It's morning here, I tell you guys, it's morning. This is school? Very beautiful morning here in India, in Mumbai city. So guys, thank you so much for watching. You're going to school? School? Which school is here?
Yes.
Okay, so it's good. How are you?
Fine.
You are fine.
Yes.
What is your name?
Ibad.
Ibad. So you study here?
Yes.
Which class?
Grade 3.
Grade 3. Okay, that is good. So your name is
Fatima.
Fatima. You study here?
Yes.
In which class?
First.
You are in which class? Third?
First standard.
Okay, first standard. You're in this state?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
Nice to meet you. Okay? Thank you so much, okay? Thank you. Okay, you go to school, eh?
Yes.
Okay,
Go to
thank you.
home.
Yeah.
Paper.
Yeah. Okay, here. So it's so crazy, you know, they are going to school. And that's good. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please, thank you so much.